From Trump's India visit, let's now shift our attention over to coronavirus, as China has now reported 71 new deaths from the coronavirus outbreak. This is lowest overnight fatalities that China has reported in over 2 weeks. 508 people contracted the virus overnight. All but 9 of these new cases were inside the Hubei province. But it does seem like the worst is over for China. Across the country, 24,000 people were discharged from hospitals after recovering from the deadly infection. The World Health Organization commended China for its actions, saying it prevented hundreds of thousands of coronavirus cases.
So, in the face of what has been a previously unknown disease, China has taken one of the most ancient strategies for infectious disease control and rolled out probably the most ambitious and I would say agile and aggressive disease containment effort in history.
The battle against the virus has now shifted to Europe and West Asia. In Italy, 7 people have been killed by the virus and 220 people have been infected. The jump has been exponential, considering on Friday there were only 3 confirmed cases in Italy. Just like China, Italy has resorted to locking down its cities in an effort to contain the virus. Schools and public gatherings have been suspended. Even the Venice Carnival was halted after 2 cases were confirmed in the city. South Korea too is struggling to contain the outbreak. 60 new cases were reported in the country, bringing the total number of infected to 893. For the first time since 2009, the country raised its highest level of alert. This means authorities can shut down schools, suspend public gatherings and take other restrictive measures. Kuwait, Oman, Bahrain, Afghanistan and Iraq reported their first cases. In Iran, the death toll from the virus stands at 12, with 61 people infected so far. Most of the positive cases were identified in the city of Qom. A team of the WHO will be visiting Iran later today. As more and more cases are being reported outside mainland China, there is fear of a global pandemic, and this panic is being seen in stock markets across the world. In the United States, both Dow Jones and S&P suffered their largest single-day dip in 2 years. Dow Jones, in fact, shed 1,000 points in a single day's trade. This is only the 3rd time in history that this has happened. The story was same in European indices in Britain, Germany and especially in Italy. As expected, panic selling gripped the markets as people poured their money into safer assets like gold. As a result, gold prices surged to a 7-year high.